get it started. Hi guys, welcome back again to Butterfly Villain LLC.
Love this.
I thought we should do another smoke session and nails video. Cheers, guys. Every fucking time I hit these Timeless pens, I swear to God, like it does something to me. Do you see it? Okay, there it is. And I'm fucking crying. Thank you for letting me be embarrassing all by myself and laughing with me. It really, honestly, means a lot. Okay, guys. Let's do some nails! Thank you for joining in on that very fun smoke session. Now we are going to be diving right into the Apres Base Colors. I have set up a few nails with some pretty easy designs that I think everyone could definitely benefit and do. So let's go ahead. I'm going to skip over all of the prepping and the bonding. I'll have the nails applied already and then we can just start decorating, guys. All right, see you then. Some of the fun decorations we are going to be using on the base Apres nail set. This is a medium round shape. I have some really cute butterflies that I got from AliExpress, some foil. It's really super delicate, so we can tear that up and make it teeny tiny. I made a charm for the thumb. Super excited to use that. And then I have some just regular basic butterfly transfers that we're going to use. And I want to use the Extend Gel as well as the Top Coat No White. So I want to start with the pinky, which I think will be the easiest one, and we're going to put on these really cute butterflies. Just put on a layer of Extend Gel, and we're going to pick them up with this really fun tool I got. Honestly, it's better than an orange wood stick and builder gel. Do what you have to do, but I like using the wax pen a little bit more. The next one I thought we could do is a silver foil ombre. It's so cute, super easy to do. And you can get jars of foil, like these teeny tiny ones. You can get them in like a pack of 3 on Amazon. They come with a few different colors. And it shreds really easily, like it sticks to everything. You can just start playing with it, pulling it apart, and then dissipating as it goes towards the top. So so pretty, especially against that sheer white color. This is definitely going to be a wedding look for sure. People are like going to be wanting this. Or like, I can even see this as like an everyday look for, you know, like the everyday woman going to work. Like she needs a regular set of neutrals every single time and doesn't want to ruin her nails. This would be perfect and just give you a little bit of extensions. So it's all cured. I have my little butterfly piece right here. Let's just do this little bit. Okay. Let's see if I can kind of shape it. Okay, let's try something else. Let me just cut like a little bit. Okay, perfect. Guys, I don't honestly know what the heck I'm doing wrong when it comes to these transfer foils. And like, do I need like a different type of foil gel? Like, is that it? Like, I'd love some help. We ended up applying some of that extend gel on there, and I'm just gonna go through and make like a really cute red sparkle colored French. I'm really kind of feeling that. I just needed like one more red one. Cute. Here we have our super cute, fun, and 90s charm. Right here, I'm going to clamp this little guy shut. I like to put the edged jump ring through the back. And here we are. It's our fun 90s themed out nail party. Thank you so much for watching. Please, 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 please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good day.